Hey guys, it's Jaleesa here. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, welcome back guys. So basically, beauty subscription boxes, they're getting very popular. There are a few prominent ones, and are they even worth it? You know, some of the boxes you get full sizes, some of them you get sample sizes, different brands that you've never heard of, products that you've never heard of. And if you're like me, I've been a beauty junkie my whole life, product junkie from start to finish, hair products, body products, makeup, everything basically. So I thought it was really interesting for me, having subscribed to Ipsy years ago. I mean, I've subscribed to Ipsy maybe back in like 2012. So to be an Ipsy creator and to partner with Ipsy for this video is crazy. But I have the May glam bag here. It is travel themed. And because I'm an Ipsy creator, I get to pick between 7 to 10 products every month to talk about, to share with you guys how I use the products, how I like the products. If you're an Ipsy subscriber, you're only gonna get 5 products, whether they're sample size or full sized. I just get more products because then I can talk about more things, if that makes sense. So I'm basically gonna go through all the products in this bag, show you how I use them, how I feel about them, how they work, how they're supposed to work. And at the end of this, then you should get a clear idea as to if, you know, subscription bags and boxes and things are for you, if you like the idea of it, and if it's something that you can benefit from. So without me getting super chatty, let's jump into it. So the first thing I'm starting off with is this poreless carbonic peel mask. This is from SUR.MEDIC. So it has bamboo charcoal fiber, and it's soaked in this formula that's supposed to exfoliate and firm your pores. It has BHAs and AHAs, which are acids that really help to smooth the skin and remove that first dead layer of skin. And it's also supposed to help with clarifying impurities, removing dead skin cells, tightening, moisturizing. So you're meant to cleanse and then apply this, leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, and then let the product soak in. So I like this one because it's black, it looks cool, I feel like it's working, but I also really like the idea of using charcoals. I love charcoal masks. I really think that they help to take out the impurities out of your skin. So I think with a consistent effort in this mask, I'll see some results, but when the first go around, I think it did really well for moisturizing and smoothing. Second product I'm using is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. So I haven't used the serum before, but I've tried the moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. Really like it. This serum is meant to moisturize, leave your skin soft, smooth, and youthful looking. It's for all skin types. It has colloidal, oatmeal, and aloe leaf juice. So upon applying this, I really feel the kind of jelly consistency to the serum. It really did sink into my skin very easily, felt really nice, didn't have a scent to it. So I think again with any skincare product, continued use is really gonna show your desired results. But upon applying it, I think it really worked well to moisturize and plump up my skin. So after I've done my base and my foundation and my concealer, let's move on to brows because I really feel like brows need to be done. I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Arc Arrival Brow Definer, and it's in the shade Taupe Tom. What I really love about these type of brow applicators is that you have the spoolie and then you have the brow product on the other end. Really great for travel because you only have to bring one product for your brows. Another great thing that I really liked about it was that the color was spot on to my brows. Wasn't too warm, wasn't too dark, wasn't too light, and I think it's gonna work for a variety of brow colors. So once the brows are in place, I'm gonna take this Elizabeth Mott Shimmer Eyeshadow Single, and it's in the shade Mermaid Teal. I thought Mermaid Teal was gonna match with my nails and my shirt, but it did not because my nails and my shirt are powder blue and Mermaid Teal is teal. It has a little bit of a green undertone to it, and when I took this BEAU Cosmetics Tapered Blending Brush with it, this is really nice synthetic fluffy brush. It's gonna help to blend and diffuse any of the edges, but I liked using the brush to apply the eyeshadow because it really helped to sweep the product on and blend at the same time. Super creamy. I love that you can do a nice thin wash of it. It looks beautiful. And if I wanted to pack on more products or pack on that opacity, I could just use my finger just to tap it right on. So once I have the eyeshadow in place, I'm gonna go in with this Style Sepia Gel Liner. It's by Touch and Soul, and it's in the shade Jardin. It's this beautiful brown blue that kind of shifts. It's a color shifting shade. I love it because I think it's so versatile. It looks beautiful on top of blue shadows because it has that blue, cool but then it's also that brown that kind of looks very natural for every day. So upon using the liner, I could tell that it was easy to glide on. It's not the easiest, creamiest liner, but it definitely did the job. I thought the shade was absolutely beautiful and it was really pigmented. So yeah, I think this liner is a good one.
Next, I have this MAXIMATTE crayon lipstick. This is from Lord & Berry and it's in the shade Spicy. It's a really pretty sort of apricot warm shade that I think works really well for a lot of different skin tones. So I'm just applying this to my lips. It's a matte lipstick, but I just want to add a little bit of it so I get some of the sheerness from it. I don't want a full-on lip look, so I'm just going around the perimeter of my lips. Gonna take a little bit of gloss to smooth that all in, and I just really like how nice and soft and smooth the texture of the pencil is.
So on my nails, I use this ADESSE New York Gel Effect nail polish. It's in the shade Oh Cabana Boy, and I like it because it does have that plumping gel-like finish. I did this nail pattern on by myself. I don't even know how or where this skill came from, but I just lost myself in the matrix and I was like, girl, you're gonna get your nails done. And I really liked the finish of it and that it didn't chip after 3 days. And then lastly, I have this Nelson J. Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. It has 100% argan oil. It says on the bottle that it's really great for protecting your hair from swimming or chlorine. So you should drench your hair basically in this conditioner before going into the pool because your hair acts like a sponge. So if your hair has absorbed fully this mask, it cannot then fully absorb the chlorine water in the pool, if it makes sense. You know, it only has the capacity to absorb only but so much, you know? So it's a great tool and a great kind of tip for the summertime to just drench your hair in conditioner and then you can go out swimming and your hair should be feeling beautiful and luxurious. So that's basically everything that I pretty much curated in my bag for this month. If I was an Ipsy subscriber and I got these products in my bag, even just half the amount of products, because I got about 8 or 9 products, for $10, I think it's definitely a steal. I think it's definitely worth the money. $10 a month for all of these products, well, 5 products, and they were all good. I think it's worth the money. Some months, you know, of course it becomes a little hit or miss like anything organic, but I feel like for the most part, when I was subscribed to Ipsy, I looked forward to it every month, getting my bag and playing with the products and trying new things. So if you're anything like me and you like products and you're a product junkie, make sure to check out the Ipsy Glam bag and, you know, give it out, try it out for a couple months and see if you like it. And you get the bag to carry around with you too, especially for traveling. So that's my take on the Ipsy Glam bag and subscription boxes in general. I think they're definitely worth it if you're a beauty junkie. So thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video, and I will catch you guys next time with something cool.